In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your workspace in Dropbox using starred items for quick access favorites and the Recents view for tracking your recent activity. Whether you're juggling multiple projects, want to streamline your workflow, or just love staying organized, these features will definitely make your life easier. Let's start by diving into how you can use starred items to your advantage. Picture this. You have a file or a folder that you access frequently. Instead of hunting for it every time, you'll want to star it for quick access. On Dropbox.com, or if you're using the Dropbox desktop app, simply hover over your chosen file or folder. You'll notice a little ellipsis. That's your More Options menu. Or, if you spot a star icon right next to the item, click on it. After selecting the More Options menu, you'll find the option to star your item. Now, the beauty of this feature is that if you ever change your mind, just click that star again and voila, the item is unstarred. After starring your items, you'll want to know where to find these favorites. If you're on Dropbox.com, head over to the left sidebar and go to Home. There, underneath Quick Access, is a dedicated section just for your starred items. For those of you on the go with the mobile app, fear not. Within the Home tab, there's a starred section as well. If you're having trouble locating it, you can simply filter by starred to see all the items you've marked. Now, let's shift gears and focus on the Recents view. This feature is your new best friend for tracking your ongoing work. Accessing it is a breeze. On Dropbox.com, just click on All Files in that same familiar left sidebar. From there, you'll see a tab labeled Recents right under your file list. Click on it, and you're in. So, what will you see in the Recents view? Think of it as your personal activity feed. It showcases files and folders you've recently opened, edited, or otherwise accessed. This feature is particularly useful for resuming work on items you were just handling, without the hassle of navigating through layered folder hierarchies. However, a quick note. Recents focuses on your activity, so it doesn't necessarily display everything. For instance, items viewed only through shared links might not appear there in the same way as others. In wrapping up, both the starred items and Recents view are powerful tools for keeping your Dropbox workspace orderly and efficient. By marking favorites and keeping an eye on recent activity, you can save yourself loads of time and effort, ensuring you can focus on what truly matters, your work. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.